For watching this video, you're looking for tips on how to build your resume to be able to land a job in the cryptocurrency space, and that's why I'm here to help. This is the first video to a series on what to do to build your on-chain resume and land a job in the crypto space. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's start building this on-chain resume. Now, the very first thing you're going to want to know how to do if you want to get a job in the crypto space and build your on-chain resume is learning how to trade on a DEX, a decentralized exchange, a DEX for short. That's probably the most important thing we want to learn how to do. So your top 3 DEX are going to be Uniswap. It's going to be 1inch, PancakeSwap, Avalanche. Of course, you have Spooky Swap on Phantom, but for Avalanche's DEX is going to be Trader Joe's. So let's go. Let's start with Uniswap on Ethereum. All right. So with Uniswap on Ethereum, the website, I would actually leave that in the description. It'll be app.uniswap.org, and this is what the UI user interface of this DEX looks like. Of course, first you would have to connect your wallet. Now you want to use a MetaMask wallet. MetaMask wallet is DeFi. Okay, you don't really want to use any other wallet but MetaMask. So on the right hand corner, you're gonna navigate to that, and you're gonna click Connect Wallet. You're gonna connect your MetaMask wallet. So click MetaMask. So after you've connect your wallet, make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet. And if you wanted to make sure, it would say wrong network, or you could check here and it will show Ethereum mainnet on your MetaMask app, inside your MetaMask application here, your browser extension. So this is the Ethereum mainnet. Uniswap is on the Ethereum mainnet. So we're gonna make sure we are on the Ethereum mainnet in MetaMask in our browser extension. So you're gonna go on the top hand and click MetaMask and make sure it says Ethereum mainnet. All right. If you're not on the Ethereum mainnet, it will show you a error that says wrong network. Whether that's probably because your mainnet on MetaMask is set to Binance Smart Chain or is set to another blockchain other than the blockchain that you're trying to use. These DEX, decentralized exchange DEXs for short, are good in showing, if you're on the right blockchain, on the right mainnet. All right. So here we're gonna make a swap for the purpose of this video. So let's say I wanted to swap 0.001 ETH, about 28 cents for USDC. You'd click swap, you click confirm swap. Then you would need to confirm that in MetaMask, and after you've confirmed it on MetaMask, you would also need to confirm it on the hardware wallet that you use. I use a Ledger Nano X. Other people use different hardware wallets. There's Ledger Nano, there's Trezor, there's so many different hardware wallets. But I suggest you use a hardware wallet if you want to buy tokens on a decentralized exchange. But if you're trying to get a job in the crypto space, and that's why you're watching this video, you're gonna need a hardware wallet. All right. It will just tell you to confirm it. I will then confirm it on my hardware wallet as well, and it would say confirm. I'm not gonna do it right now just because I don't have my hardware wallet with me, but that's how you would make a trade on a DEX. It's pretty simple, and it's pretty much the same way on every single decentralized exchange that is built on the Ethereum blockchain, the Ethereum mainnet. That is like 1inch, for example. Let me show y'all. It's basically the same exact thing, same exact UI. You probably wouldn't even notice that I clicked out to 1inch just because the UI looks almost the same. But the great thing about 1inch, it's not only on the Ethereum mainnet. If you come here and you click the drop down arrow on the Ethereum, you see it's on Polygon. 1inch is hosted on Binance Smart Chain, Optimism, Arbitrum, Genosis, and also Avalanche. Now, this DEX, like I said, looks the same. The PancakeSwap DEX also looks the same. So when you go to PancakeSwap is actually built on the Binance Smart Chain. But the UX, UI, the interface of the DEX also looks very similar to Uniswap and to 1 inch. So you go to pancakeswap.finance and click swap. As you can see here, this is on the Binance Smart Chain, so you can only trade tokens that are hosted on the Binance Smart Chain, but it would be the same exact process. You would enter in the coins you wish to trade, and then you would first go to MetaMask and you would swap over to the Binance Smart Chain. All right. If you need to be able to learn, if you want to be able to learn how to actually enter the Binance Smart Chain in MetaMask, I have a video for that, and I'll put that video up right here so you can see how to integrate Binance Smart Chain into MetaMask, because sadly it's not a default feature that MetaMask offers. They don't offer the Binance Smart Chain as a default feature, but I have made a video for that already, so you can go ahead and watch that video. But like I said, it's basically the same exact thing. You're just swapping tokens just like you would on Uniswap or 1inch. Now the next DEX would be Trader Joe's on the Avalanche mainnet, the Avalanche blockchain. And like again, I've switched to Trader Joe's, but you probably wouldn't know that because they look so similar. All right, this is Trader Joe's. This is coins that are on the Avalanche mainnet would be the only coins you can trade. It says wrong network here on the top right hand corner, so I would go to my MetaMask, click it, and then I would now switch to this Avalanche Smart Chain. I also have a video where I cover how to integrate and add the Avalanche Smart Chain onto MetaMask, because it's not a feature that MetaMask offers by default. So I'll also link that video in this video as well. But yes, if you want a coin that you want to trade, you would just use Trader Joe's. This is the best decentralized exchange on Avalanche. Let's say you would want to swap 10, or let's say you want to swap 1 Avalanche for USDC, connect wallet, switch to Avalanche C chain. You do all that good stuff. You click switch network, and then you will now be able to swap. I don't have any AVAX in here, so it says insufficient balance. So let me see, 0.001. You would click swap. I would confirm the swap, and then I'll confirm it in my MetaMask and also in my hardware wallet. And just like that, I have swapped I'll just click confirm right here, as you see here, and I'll confirm it on my hardware wallet, which I don't have right now for y'all, but you would be able to swap those tokens just like that. Now, another one that I want to share with y'all is called Spooky Swap. This is a decentralized exchange on the Phantom mainnet. Phantom is also a growing and popular blockchain right now. It's basically the same thing. I would, like the other blockchains, like the other mainnets, I would go to my MetaMask here. I will switch to the Phantom Opera mainnet, and now I would be able to swap any tokens that I have or wanted to swap for my Phantom for another token that's hosted on the Phantom mainnet. All right, this is essential. Knowing how to trade on decentralized exchanges is very essential to being. It's like that. Not even intermediate. It's a beginner thing to do to be able to use DeFi and build that on-chain resume. This is going to be a big, long series of going in depth on everything you need to do to become a DeFi expert and build your on-chain resume. So if you're liking this content, if you want to learn how to build your on-chain resume and hopefully land a job in the crypto space, make sure to like and follow. If you want to do things in DeFi, you're going to need to be able to buy crypto with a crypto fiat gateway, and no better gateway there is than Gate.io. You can buy crypto on Gate.io, and if you choose to send that crypto off of Gate.io, you're paying very low fees, and any crypto you buy or trade for, you're also paying very low fees. It's the best exchange for actually buying your cryptocurrency with fiat money. All right, so if you want to do that and you don't have a Gate.io account, make sure to look in my description, because I'm going to have a link for y'all which you can make, where you can make a Gate.io account and save money when you're buying cryptocurrency while buying almost any cryptocurrency imaginable. All right, that's all I have for y'all today. Peace out.